80 years beneath the waves, the iconic white star is barely visible now, obscured by layers of rust and marine growth.
Easy now, hold it steady. Coming down slow, keep those lines clear.
These barnacles are really stubborn on the drive sprocket.
The suspension bogies are completely seized and will need the torch. After 80 years underwater, the main hatch is finally separated from the turret, revealing the interior for the first time.
Are the slings secure?
Yes, they are set. Go ahead and lift. All right, easy now, keep it steady. Clear on the left side, bring it up another foot.
"80 years submerged, and finally, the heart of the Sherman is lifted clear, a monumental step in this restoration. This M4A3 hull, salvaged after 8 decades, shows the severe effects of marine corrosion. We're stabilizing the pitting before the electrolysis phase. "80 years underwater left this hull coated in heavy corrosion, requiring an intensive hot water wash before the real work begins. The 75mm gun components are placed in the ultrasonic bath. This process uses high-frequency sound waves to gently literally 8 decades of marine corrosion.
Look at the depth on this one.
Yeah, it's consistent with the stress modeling. The submersion definitely accelerated the fatigue.
This impact zone needs priority assessment.
Scanning now. Reading confirms significant deformation. Logging the coordinates.
Check the alignment on the glasses plate.
Reading point 42 is within tolerance. 0.01.
Watch the starboard side deflection. It's almost within tolerance. Confirmed. The alignment is stabilizing. All right, ease now. Bring it down just a few more millimeters. Copy that. Coming down slowly. Okay, hold it there and secure the clamps. All right, hold it there. A little more to the right. Okay, it's seated. Start securing the bolts. Torque is good on this side.
Oh, pivot.
Okay, bringing the next link over now. Gap here is 0.005.
Acceptable. Log that against the repair section, Charlie.
right, easy now. Keep the tension steady.
Got it. It's clearing the block.
The deck surface looks perfect.
Runout is within tolerance across all cylinders.
We're looking for precise tolerances here.
Torquing the main bearing caps now. Make sure the alignment marks match the manual.
Watch the fuel line connection point.
Clear. Bring it down slowly. We're almost home.
The wiring harness, painstakingly reconstructed to period specifications, must be routed precisely along the fighting compartment wall.
We're showing a slight fluctuation on the fuel pressure gauge.
Copy that. Running the pump bypass now. How does that look?
Stabilized.
After 8 decades underwater, the hull requires meticulous preparation. Every inch is inspected before the primer coat is applied.
Easy now, just a little to the left. Clear on this side. Looks good, keep coming down. It caught, sounds good. Yeah, sounds real good.
Years later, the legendary M4A3 Sherman returns, a testament to the enduring spirit of those who served.